everybody, welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Cheryl and I am the activity author here to bring you another book inspired craft video. And if you don't know me, hey, hi, what's up? I am Cheryl and I am an author and I create easy kids crafts out of household items that are usually inspired by books by self-published authors. So if you like that kind of stuff, make sure you stick around, hang out with your girl, click that like button, hit that subscribe button so you know every time that I post, because I post every Sunday. And if you don't have your post notifications on, you're gonna miss when I drop a new video, and you don't want to do that, okay? All right, y'all, so we got a brand new author today. Yes, I can't wait to introduce you guys to her and her terrific book. So this one is all about love. So today's author is Miss Angel Reynolds, and her book is called I Love Being Me, illustrated by Adula Hernandez. Now you gotta love a book that's all about love. Y'all, I will tell you more about this book after the craft, so y'all make sure y'all stick around, okay? Stick around and you're gonna hear all about this author, where you can get this book, and why your child needs to have it added to their library today, okay? Today, not tomorrow, today. All right, guys, so without further ado, here's what I always like to say. Y'all already know, say it with me, say it with me. Let's get crafty.
Alright, so I will say this craft was inspired by the protagonist loving flowers and all the love spreaded throughout this book. So it's only appropriate that we make a love bouquet. So you're going to start out with your paper towel roll and some paint. You're going to go ahead and take your paper towel roll, and see how I'm pushing down in the middle of it. I'm going to make this into a heart, so keep watching. So now that you have your heart made, you can continue to shape it out. I always shape it out after I put the rubber band on, because it does loosen up a little bit, but just play with it. You guys will get it. So now make sure it's even too. I will say that because sometimes when you do this, the heart will be not completely flush with the paper. So that's why it's going to be hard for you to put paint all over it and make it a proper stamper. So you're going to show your child first how to do it by just pushing it down the paper and making a heart. Now, your first couple of hearts are going to be a little janky, but other than that, you will get the hang of it and it'll start looking like hearts. So kids have a lot of fun with this, creating different hearts, and some of these look like fortune cookies, but we're not going to say anything about that, okay? So go ahead and make your heart background. If it didn't dawn on you, you guys can flip it to the other side and apply a new color just easily without mixing the colors. All right, while we let that dry, let's cut out some hearts. I got some watercolor and I got some construction paper. So this is how I cut out my hearts, just a half a heart. And if you're wondering how we got those watercolor hearts, check out my last video I did last Sunday. There it is. And I'm going to show you guys all about how to make this beautiful watercolor texture. And then you can cut out many hearts. That's my little trick. Now, notice this is where the affirmations come in. You guys are going to have your child write on as many hearts as they can everything that they love about themselves. If you're short on time, you can take a green marker and you can make stems, or you can cut out some green strips like I have here, and I'm just letting my daughter assemble it in what we believe is a bouquet. And then after that, she just has to glue the flowers on and we're pretty much done. Now, I will say this was my favorite part of the entire project as a parent, because I just love hearing her read out the hearts and say them as she decides where to put them. So affirming. I love this, y'all.
It says, I love my tooth. I love my ears.
Eyes. My hand ain't that bad.
So definitely don't skip that step. Now, if you want to take this another level, you could take a ribbon. I'm going to tie a ribbon around this glue just to kind of give me some anchor, right? I'm going to cut it off And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut the loop and just glue it on to like make it look like there's a ribbon around the bouquet. This part is totally optional. You guys can use yarn if you don't have ribbon, but I just think this ties the entire craft together. After everything is dry, you are done. Just hang this on the wall, and this is our beautiful love bouquet. Now, if you want to turn this into a card, here's another option. Take that same cardstock. I'm just going to draw the stems to give you another option. There's my ribbon. And then have your child write a love letter to themselves. And if they can't write, you can write it for them, okay? So this is another option on where you can take this craft another level.
Wasn't that such a cute craft? I know, it was so easy, so cute. Your child will love doing that one. So you know what? When they do, I need y'all to do me one favor. Can y'all take a picture of it real quick? Tag me on Instagram, put it on Instagram and tag me so I know, and then I'm gonna be shouting you guys out. I will post it on my stories because I love interacting with you and your kids and just giving them a huge shout out. So please, can y'all do that for me? All right, perfect. All right, so I didn't forget. Did you forget? Because I know I told y'all to stick around because y'all are about to hear why y'all need to add this book, I Love Being Me, to your child's library. So let's go.
I Love Being Me is a fun-filled read that takes readers on a journey of self-confidence, self-empowerment, and self-love. Y'all gonna join Madison as she learns to see beauty in her own features and fully embrace the qualities that make her unique. Throughout this story, the concepts of I Love Being Me, children are encouraged to look in the mirror and love what they see. This appreciation for their unique features promotes positive self-esteem and teaches kids to love each and every part of how they are wonderfully made. Y'all, bonus materials include powerful affirmations, so y'all definitely want to grab it for that. And young children can repeat these affirmations with their parents and their teachers, and it just enforces that self-esteem and self-confidence. Now, our author, Miss Angel Reynolds, she came up with her publishing company called Never Forgotten Publishing, and this publishing company was created to self-publish her books as she was working her way through grief and loss after losing her little brother due to gun violence in 2020. Now, she wrote these books in her dorm at Howard University. Shout outs to Howard, y'all. 20 years ago, and y'all, it still feels like a dream that she is now publishing her children's books and keeping that dream alive. So her books also address children's social emotional needs. So if that is something you guys are into, definitely go drop down in that description box right now. I got all of her social media handles and she's on pretty much every platform. So y'all drop down in that description box and make sure y'all keep up with Miss Angel because y'all don't know when she's gonna drop her next book. And she's already got another book that I'm looking at to feature. So y'all definitely stay tuned for her second book that will be featured in one of my upcoming crafts.
All right, guys, thank you so much for sticking around till the end. I love giving y'all this content. Y'all come back for more. So I'm gonna keep pushing it out for you. So guys, if you're new to this channel, don't forget, before you click off, click that subscribe button. Why? So you can be notified every time I post. Hit that like button. Let's boost this up in the algorithm. Go in the description box, check out our author. The links are all posted below. You guys are going to want to add this book to your library. And make sure you guys share this video. Tell everybody about me. Pastors, teachers, babysitters, moms, homeschoolers, anybody you know out there that are around kids that could definitely use some entertaining. And if they love kids crafts, they'll love this channel. So definitely share your girl, okay? Tell people about me. And if you love what you see here, there are 2 videos here on the screen that I cannot wait for you guys to click so you can keep the party going. And I'll see you in that next video. Bye, y'all.